What if I told you that the most powerful, addictive device Apple is about to release this year isn't a massive laptop, and it isn't a bulky Pro desktop. It is something so perfectly pocket-sized that it completely redefines what mobile computing was ever supposed to be. For years, tablet lovers have been caught in a frustrating trap. You either bought a massive slate that felt like carrying a widescreen TV in your backpack, or you settled for a small form-factor tablet that cut corners on performance, suffered from frustrating screen stutter, and felt like an afterthought in Apple's lineup. The iPad mini has always been loved for its sheer portability, but fans have spent years begging Apple to give it the flagship treatment it truly deserves. That waiting game is officially coming to a violent end. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down the upcoming Apple iPad mini 8. If you think this is just another minor spec bump with a slightly faster chip, prepare to have your mind completely changed. Industry supply chains, display insiders, and Cupertino leaks are pointing to a monumental shift. We are talking about a complete reinvention of Apple's smallest powerhouse, featuring a gorgeous panel upgrade, next-generation silicon, and an engineering overhaul that makes every previous compact tablet look like an antique. Make sure you are subscribed and locked in for every single minute of this video, because by the time we finish, you will see why this tiny machine is about to cause a massive earthquake in the tech world. Let us address the most requested, most obsessively rumored upgrade right out of the gate: the display. For years, the Achilles heel of small tablets has been LCD technology, plagued by muddy contrast and that annoying scrolling wobble known as jelly scrolling. Apple is finally tearing that limitation out by the roots. Supply chain leaks indicate that the iPad mini 8 is stepping into the modern era with a stunning, high-efficiency OLED display panel. Imagine absolute pitch-black levels, infinite contrast ratios, and colors that literally burst off the glass. Whether you are editing high-resolution 4K video on a flight, diving into a cinematic movie stream in a dark room, or reading digital comics and graphic novels, the visual fidelity on this 8-inch canvas is going to be jaw-dropping. And Apple isn't just stopping at the glass. Word from Cupertino hints at shrinking the bezels even further, potentially expanding the screen estate slightly within the exact same iconic, ultra-portable aluminum footprint. You get more screen space without sacrificing the one thing that makes the Mini legendary: the ability to slip it into a jacket pocket, a small purse, or a backpack pouch, completely forgetting you are carrying a full-fledged computer. Now, let us talk about the absolute powerhouse beating inside this chassis. Apple is not holding back on performance. Driven by next-generation silicon architecture, pointing directly toward the powerhouse A19 Pro chip family, the iPad mini 8 is engineered to chew through heavy workflows that usually choke desktop computers. We are talking about raw single-core and multi-core muscle that handles lightning-fast app launching, complex graphic rendering, and seamless multitasking without breaking a sweat. If you thought a small tablet was only good for checking emails and scrolling social media, this device is about to completely shatter your expectations. Think about what this level of processing power means for modern artificial intelligence workflows. With heavily expanded unified memory configurations designed to support deep on-device intelligence frameworks, the iPad mini 8